Bakit?
May isang beses parang natutulog ako.
A ghost girl.
Hey, that's hot.
Ano?
Ang bigat ng katawan ko. Parang,
Yeah.
ano yun. So parang hindi ko pinansin.
Shit, incubus.
Tapos sa tulog na lang ako. Pagising ko na ako, bad na ako, may malakang pasa.
Hello? So, how's the baby?
That was me.
Do you have a baby?
Sa bahay yun.
No, but yeah, study show.
Hello! Kumawa na naman sa akin. Ay, kumakaway. Hello,
Thank you so much.
natatakot na.
Wow, what a wonderful message ang haba. 3 miles long.
Akala ko wala lang.
Oo nga.
Di mamaya gusto ko mahaba. Gusto ko malaki space ko eh. Kilala mo naman, marami akong sinasabi. Marami akong kadaghan yung yaw-yaw.
Dami mong sat-sat.
Madami akong sinasabi.
That's okay. I'll be back later. Stay positive. That is the most...
Stay positive! Yung sabi mo.
Positive man.
Diba? Yung Jamaican pati. See?
Paano naman ako?
Say
Eh, kung araw-araw ka pa naman magkondensada at prutas. Kahit sabihin mong prutas pa yun. What?
Pussy scream.
What pussy scream?
No.
What's that?
Pussycats.
Sorry,
What's that?
tanga lang talaga
They're
ako
like
pagdating sa
more-
ganyan.
they're-
I don't think you're
they're
fatter.
really-
You're getting to
Yeah.
Male cat.
See, that's what Chris does when she is also. That's why she's a master of that sound.
Shut up! Ang dami mong alam!
Do you do that?
Si Chris, grabe oh. Di pitik, tapos biglang inyaki ka na moisturizer.
Cats, it depends if they're nice cats. I don't like play cats.
User-friendly.
That's exactly the point why girls are so moody. They can be so mad at you at one point and then after.
And then they're needy rin.
Yeah.
Exactly. Women are so hormone.
That's exactly the reason why I'm a guy.
They know.
Ew.
Diba?
Just how sick is that?
You're like my...
Really sick.
I'm a guy in a skirt
His name's Neo.
who happens to be fat. Whoa!
Neo.
Hansen, what are you talking about?
My dog.
Neo.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Tawag ni EM sa sarili niya Neo.
Neon!
Ano yun? Sorry.
Ayun ako.
My doggy's name is
Kumain ka muna,
Popo,
Chris.
because he's a pug. Just like the one in Manila.
Ano kang problema mo, ha?
What's the name?
Wala kang magawa sa bating mo sa buhay mo. eh. Manahimik ka na lang.
They're all meaning names.
How many?
Pluning.
You have 11 cats?
Ang baho ng shit nun!
Oo, sobra.
Yung pusa ko pa nga lang, ang baho nun eh.
Sa pinakamabaho.
Tigra.
Si Tigra! I miss you, Tigra!
Your cat's name is Tigra?
Yeah, kasi babae, so hindi pwedeng tiger, diba? Hindi tigre. So, tigra.
Actually, pinangalan yun ng brother ng boyfriend ko eh.
So one.
Ano pa ikaw nagpangalan?
Okay,
Do
Tigra.
I have too many?
I thought you were the one who named it.
Every time,
Siya.
morning na.
Dahil parang gusto ko parang, ano, parang tiger na babae.
Waiting for
Tigra. Okay, ano?
Are they disciplined? Like to go to the kitty litter?
Wala ba siya?
Yung akin super discipline.
Ganun ba talaga?
You have a cat,
Hindi ka
Chris?
nasanay, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eyeliner in your eyes.
The name's Tigra, not
Hindi lang
tigre.
naman eh. Yung dog na yung lab namin, binalik sa may-ari. Yung dog ko namatay.
No, may dog ka.
My dog died before entering here.
Yeah, you squished it.
I didn't squish it, you dumbass.
I think my dog.
It ate something.
Yung yaki rice.
Tequila.
Kinakain mo para mamatay siya.
But I can wait.
Ay, naku, ayoko na ng asphalt.
I miss my dog so much, but I can wait to see him.
I was
Or
my
stay
dog.
here.
Ding, ding. Sen, you can go out there, can I? See her.
Whoa!
You hear me? I miss my dog, but I can wait to see him.
My dog's name is Beauty.
I'll just wait to see him when I get out of here.
And she's so black.
At the end of the show, I don't want to. You know, he's
Anong aso mo?
okay.
Next siya lang Shih Tzu tsaka Poodle. So she's all black and she's like this big and she's round and perfect! Talaga?
No, you don't want Pomeranian. They're too loud and
Why?
they shed.
Yun ang gusto ko lang.
Oh, they shed
They
a
really
lot.
shed.
Pomeranian.
Super.
Do you like your black clothes?
Never go
Like
near
dark
your
colored
dog.
clothes? You're gonna have fur all over.
Do not go near
Do
your
you like taking
dog.
them baths also?
Yeah.
Do you have high electricity bill? Diba your mom said that your electricity bill is high?
Okay lang, lagi may isang lugo na puro aircon.
Because you have to dry that. Otherwise it gets all knotted up.
Yeah.